your security, you take care of everything that concerns you. Finally, I want us all to be alert on issues of corruption. This district is suffering with issues of corruption. And I want to let people know that my eyes are also open. I know some they get money from Kampala, some they get money from where. Let us stop that. Even when people are getting into positions, there are monies that exchange hands for somebody to be employed, for somebody to be transferred. These things will get you at the grassroots because words have ears. Coming for once be nationalistic, be patriotic, and do things free of charge, especially these vulnerable groups. We have suffered this corruption in this district, it is a lot. Can we all rise against it? That even in your debates, you must be able to bring out some of these issues very clearly. And the people of the countries, if you cannot bring others your way, kindly call me. Even if you call with another number and just give me information, we'll take it